To create glow effect on eyes, use any selection tool. I'm using Quick Selection tool. Press Ctrl J to make a layer of selection. Now make it Smart Object. Now create a group for eyes layer by pressing Ctrl G. Then apply Gaussian blur 4 to 6 pixel. Create a color lookup adjustment layer on background image. Then apply pre-built Moon Knight LUT. Go back to eyes layer, and make this layer color dodge. Then create a copy again. Duplicate it again, and this time apply 11 pixel. Duplicate again until 300 pixels. Add new hue adjustment layer on background and make it darker. Now apply curve layer to make it look more darker. Add new adjustment layer of color balance for background. Target the shadow and make it red. Now add an image of lightning. You can find in the link in description. Press Alt and click the hue adjustment layer of eyes and drag it down to the lightning group. Make a clipping mask for the lightning group. Adjust its position. Now make layer blending as screen. Now you are good to go. You can make a copy of blurred eyes layer and drag it down. It will act as a reflection of eyes. And copy one above the cat image. Change blending to dissolve. This will act as particles. That's it. You can subscribe to my channel so you'll always get more good contents like this.